Students, welcome back in our new session. Today in this session we will discuss about some concept of programming languages. So here we will discuss about fourth generation language and fifth generation language. So what is fourth generation language? So fourth generation language basically is designed to reduce the overall time, effort and cost of the development. And fourth generation language is programmer friendly, and that was very efficient language to develop the software. So in this language we use different kind of English words, phrases, symbolic interfaces is associated with the uses of database and database processing using the structured query language, that is SQL, developed by IBM. So all these are some fourth generation related languages or tools. On the behalf of these tools, the fourth generation language is efficiently using by the programmer. It is based on around solving problem using constraint. So it is based on around solving problem using constraint entered by the programmer. Which the computer uses to solve the problem. So that was the main benefit of fifth generation language. Then in this language and that language basically based on solving problem using constraint, and that constraint basically used by the programmer. Fifth generation language basically based on solving the problem techniques, and that technique basically is dependent or generated by some constraint, and that constraint used the programmer for the computer, and that computer basically is used to solve the problem using these constraints. So if we talk about the difference, so what is the main difference between fourth generation language and fifth generation language? Then in fourth generation language we write a program to solve the problem, but in fifth generation language we write a technique to the computer and computer uses that technique to solve the problem. We write a technique to the computer that used by computer to solve the problem. Means we have no need to think about the process, internal process, to solve the problem, how the problem will be solved, and we don't need to know about the algorithms, the what kind of algorithms we have to use. All these will be automatically done by the computer, and we have to use some constraint based techniques. That techniques will be the computer will use to solve the problem. But in fourth generation language, we have to think about the algos and all these things, and we have to make a complete logic to solve the problem. So that is the main difference between fourth generation language and fifth generation language. In artificial intelligence, and for example, Prolog, that is programming logic, OPS 5, Mercury. These are some languages which is used in fifth generation. One editor we use here for artificial intelligence, that is Lisp. So that is Lisp processor. So all these tasks we use in fifth generation languages. So that was some basic information about fourth generation language and fifth generation language. So I hope you got some more valuable information relating to fourth and fifth generation languages in this video. So thanks for watching this video, and have a nice day.